Welcome back. What we will now need to do is to go outside of our services. We will need to then go to EC2. And typically you'll see this near the top. If you don't, then all you'll need to do is to write in EC2 and then click that link. You'll then need to click Launch an Instance. Once you do that, you'll need to click on the AWS Marketplace. You'll then search for WordPress. You then want to select the most appropriate machine instance. The one at the top has the highest review. We'll then click Select. You'll then want to click Continue. You'll then want to click the most appropriate tier. You'll then want to configure your instance details. One thing that you might find important is to create a new IAM role if that is appropriate. However, you don't have to do that. And for the most part, you can leave the default settings as they are. So in this case, we're then going to click Add Storage. We're then going to move on to Add Tags. If we're not going to add tags, we're going to configure the security group. We're going to leave the default settings and then click Review and Launch. Now we can improve security and anything else in our installation as you go throughout this process. However, for the sake of time, we are now going to just click Launch. We're now going to create a new key pair. And then we're going to give that key pair a name. We're then going to click Download Key Pair. And once we've downloaded our key pair, we can then click Launch Instances. And the process will then begin. And once you complete the process, then AWS will give you launch instructions on the page. And you'll find that in these two buttons. Now, next video, what we will do is we will start the process by going into our installation and configuring the internal software. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.